Today I, Divankar Singh
and Sarthak
of class 10 from Shri Guru Gobind Singh Public School stand for you to discuss a groundbreaking sustainable waste management program. In this model, we have divided our project into two subgroups. One is urban area and one is rural area. In rural area, we have a rainwater harvester, a tube well, solar panels and a farm. And in the urban area, we have a crucial and important model component named waste separator and some buildings which have a solar panel.
Biogas station is an important feature of our model. This facility converts waste or organic waste into biogas. Biogas could be used for heating. The waste produced by the biogas station could be used in farms for agricultural purposes. This reduces our strain on chemicals and reduces soil degradation.
In urban area, we have a crucial and important component named waste separator. By encouraging the residents of the people to separate their waste into recyclable, organic and inorganic wastes, can help to protect our environment. In this separator, this is the working model. When we put any type of waste, like wet waste in this, the sensor will detect and it will throw it into the desired boxes. Now we have a paper industry. Paper industry plays a very important role in our model. By utilizing organic waste like vegetable peels and fruit peels can be converted into paper, which helps to save our natural resources and also support the sustainable development. We have a paper industry which is very important. Paper industry helps them to utilize the organic materials like vegetable peels and fruit peels, which helps them to make paper and also save our natural resources and support the sustainable development.
In the rural area, we have implemented a rainwater harvester and a tube well. The rainwater harvester captures precious rainwater that could be used for agricultural purposes, for livestock watering and agriculture. This helps us to manage the water resources. Tube well acts as an additional water source for the proper water distribution in the community. Our model waste management helps us to reduce waste and maximize the utilization power of the resource. Thank you to all. Please help us to manage our society and help us to make our planet healthier.
Thank you.